Hello, everyone. Welcome to An Immigrant's Journey to Financial Freedom. If you're new here, I'm Choma. Today, I'll be talking about ISAs, one of the best tools for tax efficient investing in the UK. So, if you're a beginner investor or you're new to the UK, this is for you. So, what is an ISA? An ISA or individual savings account is a tax-free account that allows you to save or invest money without paying taxes on your returns. The UK offers a few types of ISAs: Cash ISA, Stocks and Shares ISA, Innovative Finance ISA, and Lifetime ISA. The big advantage is you pay no taxes on your returns. So, why use an ISA? Let's compare investing with and without an ISA. Meet Lizzie, a basic rate taxpayer in the UK, which means she pays 20% income tax. Say she invests £10,000 at 12% annual growth for 10 years in a taxable account. Her investment grows to £31,058, which means she's made a profit of £21,058. But the first £3,000 profit is tax-free thanks to capital gains tax exemption, which means Lizzie will have to pay capital gains tax on the remaining £18,058. As a basic rate taxpayer, this currently stands at 10% of profits, or in Lizzie's case, £1,805.80. After tax, Lizzie would now be left with £29,252.20. With an ISA, she'll keep the full £31,058. So that's over £1,805 saved. Also worth mentioning that there's also dividend tax to be paid if you've received dividends. And the current rates are 8.75% for basic rate taxpayers, 33.75% for higher rate taxpayers, and 39.35% for additional rate taxpayers. ISAs let you avoid these taxes completely, plus they're available to immigrants in the UK too. So how do you start? To open an ISA, you must be a UK resident with a national insurance number. For the 2025 to 2026 tax year, which runs from the 6th of April 2025 to the 5th of April 2026, the contribution allowance is £20,000. For example, you could put £10,000 into a stocks and shares ISA, £6,000 into a cash ISA, and £4,000 into a lifetime ISA. The contribution allowance resets every tax year. Unused allowances do not roll over, so it's beneficial to maximize the full allowance every year if you can, to take advantage of the tax benefits. You can use platforms like Trading212, Free Trade, Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell, or if you want to invest in exchange traded funds or ETFs only, you can use platforms like Vanguard and Invest Engine. There's even robo-advisors like Nutmeg and Moneybox. Robo-advisors are beginner-friendly because they manage your investments for you. You can open as many ISAs as you want, and you can pay into as many ISAs as you want every tax year. Just make sure that you're staying within that £20,000 allowance. So, go wild. Well, not that. Anyway, regardless of which platform or platforms you choose, just make sure that you're not paying too much or even any trading or platform fees, as this could quite easily eat into any investment returns, especially for a beginner. So, if you're serious about growing your wealth in the UK, an ISA is essential. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow tax-free. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, leave any questions in the comments. Until next time, happy investing.